Today's video is about how to change the light switch behind me. This particular light switch is broken and I'm going to show you how to change it. You could do it. It's very easy. Stay with me. This is what broken switch looks like. I mean, it could create arcing. It could cause other issues. The first you do is you turn off the circuit breaker. Then you remove the cover. And in this case, I have 4 screws. So I had to remove 4 screws. And once you remove the cover, you want to make sure the paint is not on the old switch, because when you pull out the old switch, what's going to happen is you're going to peel some of the painting that's there, and you don't want to do that because you don't want to paint after you change the switch, right? If the wall is painted well, you want to make sure the switch does not peel any paint. So you remove the old one, then you check the new one before you install it, make sure it works properly, and you put it back exactly how you found it. That's why it's so important to turn off the main circuit breaker before you attempt this project. It's very easy, very simple, if only if you are able to follow instruction by turning off the main circuit breaker panel. All right, just remove the wires exactly how you saw them and install exactly how it was, because it was working before. Only thing you are changing is this switch. So these switches are very inexpensive. You could find box of 10 in Lowe's, or you could just buy the single ones. I believe they're about $1.50, $2, and the whole box of 10 you probably could get it for $10 to $15. You could replace as many switches as you like. Then you want to put the faceplate back, and the faceplate sometimes needs to be lined up. So you don't want to make it all the way tight, the switch. You want to make sure the faceplate lines up, especially when you have 2 switches. So sometimes you're going to have to, open and close and try to, fit it, see if it works. So in this case, I have to make some adjustment before the faceplate was fitting perfectly. If you like this video, I'm sure you benefited from it. Please do me a favor, like and subscribe. If you like, you can even share it with someone. Thank you for watching.